Hey guys, welcome back to Front Seat Driver. My name is Jason. I'm really excited about today's video. It's been a while since I've done much to my C7 Z06, and what better mod to do than new wheels. I know a lot of people have had problems with their C7 Z06 wheels, Grand Sport. They break, they crack. So I luckily, honestly, have not had that issue, but I did feel like it was time to do something different than what I had before. And I met E5 Wheels while I was at Corvette at Carlisle. I kind of knew a little bit about him prior to that. I had a great time meeting Dante. I met his father. This is a really great company that I'm super excited about. So I ordered a set of wheels that I'm really excited to show you guys. So we're going to do a quick unboxing, and then we're going to head to Discount Tire to get these installed. But again, I'm really excited about these. Let's open them up and see what they look like. All right, so let's get these out of the package. Woo! Man, I cannot wait to get these on. And guess what? They are not black wheels. These are titanium brushed right here. Set that up. All right, what do you guys think? I am so excited to get these on. These are, like I said, these are the Sebring titanium brushed wheels. They do have black and I believe bronze, but check it out. I love the inside of the barrel. Check that out. Absolutely high quality. Look at everything right here. Man, I'm excited. I'll tell you what, let's go get these put on. All right, guys, so today is the big change. This is the last day that you will see the gloss black C7 Z06 stock wheels on this car. We're getting ready to go in there. We're gonna swap them out. But I still think these look fantastic. Some of my favorite wheels ever by Corvette. It's really low right there, goodness. And I know everybody likes to say, oh, you only do black wheels. Well, sometimes.
On the C5, like old fashioned.
By the way, this is a Corvette owner right here. He's even got yellow, Millennium Yellow, C6, that's it, or C5. So it's nice having another Corvette owner. Man, those look good. All right, so this is the final product. I gotta tell you, I like this so much better than I expected, and I'm gonna tell you why in 1 second, but I absolutely love these E5 wheels on here. Let's take a look at it, not in the exact direct sunlight. I was hoping we'd get a little cloud cover, but it looks like it's gonna be a little bit. But these things turned out even better than I could have expected. And I'll tell you what I really like. So I felt like it had a little bit of an overbite with the wheel well prior with the stock wheels, especially after I installed this piece. It really set that wheel back inside there. But now the offset is definitely a wider offset, so it really puts these wheels flush with the edge. See, look at that, with the edge of the wheel well. I mean, it is literally perfect. What do you guys think? Let me know. Let's take a look at this side again. But check it out. Absolutely perfect. By the way, I did switch out tires as well because the tires on my other, on the other Z06 wheels were getting pretty old. And it was definitely time. I found that out last time we went on a cruise. But what do you guys think? I'm loving these. I know I sound repetitive here, but they turned out just so much better than I expected. I mean, I absolutely, I intended them to look good, but man, they have exceeded my expectations. What do you guys think? One more time. All right, I'm gonna do some rollers here. At least I'm gonna try to get some rollers for you, just so you can kind of see what these wheels look like in motion. But again, I am very excited. E5 wheels, all of their info will be down in the description. Check them out. I'm really high on these guys right now. So anyway, that's gonna do it. You guys have a great week. Let's do some rollers.